The egg industry has misled us to believe that eggs are nutritious health foods that are essential for the human body, although it is actually illegal to advertise eggs as healthy or safe. Eggs are very high in fat, saturated fat and cholesterol, which will increase the risk of heart disease and can cause other serious health problems like diabetes. Eggs actually have over 3 times more cholesterol than a steak. Because of their naturally occurring salmonella, eggs are unsafe for human consumption, and it's estimated that more than 140,000 people a year are affected by salmonella poisoning. Eggs have been marketed as a healthy source of protein, but animal protein is far too acidic for the human body and has been associated with cancer, diabetes and heart disease. They have also been advertised as a perfect source of iron, but a 50-gram egg contains only 0.6 milligrams of iron, which is considerably low compared to healthier plant-based alternatives like beans, seeds, nuts and greens.
You cannot say eggs are safe to eat, can't say they're safe, can't even mention safety, can't say they're healthful. All references to healthfulness must be deleted as well.
Fortunately, there are many egg-free alternatives, and a whole foods plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients for long-term health.